DisplayRide has updated their rideshare monitoring platform, so let's discuss. DisplayRide is a company that provides a cloud-based dashcam solution, and they call it a rideshare monitoring platform. And with their rideshare monitoring platform, there's no dependency on a phone or any apps to download. It's a dual-camera dashcam with both forward and interior recording with an LCD display. And again, the main function of this camera is that it is cloud-based. So all of your footage is constantly being uploaded to the cloud. So if there's ever an incident, that footage is constantly being uploaded to the cloud. You're never solely reliant on the dash camera itself. So with cameras that are not cloud-based, that footage is stored locally on the camera. So the only way to obtain the footage is to pull the footage directly from the camera. With cloud-based cameras like this solution, that footage is always uploaded to the cloud. So it gives you peace of mind. It's an ultimate protection solution because that footage is always accessible via the cloud. I like to view it as basically a set it and forget it solution. You mount it on your windshield, you plug it in, and it just works. You don't have to worry about apps. You don't have to worry about connecting to your phone. It just works, and it's uploading footage to the cloud about 30 seconds after you start your car. Now, since it's not reliant on your phone or an app, what they have is a web portal where you can view footage, and that portal is connected to your phone number. And when you access the portal, you can obtain footage there. You can also change certain settings on your dash cam if you want to. With their previous version, as far as the internal audio, you were not able to turn that on and off. You now are. And you're now able to change the frequency of the "this ride is being recorded for your safety" audio alert, which I personally prefer to just disable. And again, this is a complete protection solution. DisplayRide also partners with the law firm Legal Rideshare. So if you ever run into an incident, you have access to Legal Rideshare through DisplayRide to help you legally. Now, as far as cost, this is a subscription-based camera. You pay nothing for the camera. The normal subscription fee is $25 per month. But if you use the promo code RSG, you can get a $20 per month subscription fee. And when you do sign up, you agree to a 24-month contract. You will also need to pay $10 to have the device shipped to you. And if at any time during that 24-month contract you decide you want to stop using the service, you'll be charged a $50 early termination fee. So all in, the cost of this device with that 24-month contract is $490 with that initial $10 shipping cost. Now that price does seem a bit steep, especially compared to standalone cameras, which you can get for as cheap as $100. The footage also isn't the highest quality. Both cameras record 720p at 12 frames per second. You might not be able to get faraway license plates with the external camera, but for most incidents, both external and internal, that footage, that 720p, should suffice. One other thing is the device still uses an adhesive mount to your windshield as opposed to a suction cup. I personally prefer the suction cup mounts. Now again, this is a set it and forget it complete protection solution. What you're paying for with that subscription fee is complete peace of mind. Your footage is constantly being uploaded to the cloud. You have connection to a law firm through them. But what about all of you? What do you think of this solution? Is it something that you'd be willing to pay for that complete peace of mind? And what about all of you that have used DisplayRide's rideshare monitoring platform in the past? What do you think of your experience? Leave a comment below and let us know. Again, for those of you that want complete peace of mind, complete protection, this could be the solution for you, and we will leave a referral link in the description. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.